ASTM International was founded in 1898 by a group of scientists and engineers as the American section of the International Association for Testing Materials. Its original purpose was to address the frequent rail failures affecting the railroad industry at the time. Today, ASTM International develops and publishes voluntary consensus technical standards for a wide range of materials and products, which impacts public health and safety, consumer confidence, and overall quality of life. Standards for particular industries are developed within committees made up of experts. Although ASTM has no role in requiring or enforcing compliance with the standards they publish, many have been adopted and will be referred to in industry regulations, company references, as well as product specifications. In the metal tubing industry, there are a number of alloys and manufacturing processes that can be used to create products for various applications. Many of these products are manufactured to a specified criteria or to requirements based upon customers' design parameters, but also to take into consideration the ASTM standards as they apply to their application. ASTM specifications define the chemical and mechanical properties, tolerances, testing, certification, packaging, and set forth minimum quality requirements. There are 4 different types of ASTM standards. Test method, which provides definitive testing procedures to produce test results. Specifications, which are an explicit set of requirements a material, product, system, or service needs to satisfy. Guides, which is an additional information or options which does not recommend a specific course of action. Practice, which is a definitive set of instructions for performing operations which do not produce test results. While all these have an important purpose for developing or utilizing ASTM specifications for manufacturing and testing of pipe and tube, you'll mainly be looking at which sections are most relevant.
In order to properly utilize specifications, it's important to understand how specification hierarchy works. Specification documents can be confusing at first glance. However, navigating specifications is simplified once you understand how they are structured. Like many other product specifications, ASTM tubular specifications contain specific chemistry, testing, and tolerance data. However, they will also reference a general specification, which is an entirely different document. This is important to know because many of the details you may want to find, such as testing requirements, methodologies, certification, packing, and more, will be located in the general specification referenced. It is also important to know that product specifications will always override general specifications if there is a conflict between the two. When product performance is important, additional specifications, such as corrosion testing, can also be used to support a product specification to improve product reliability. ASME may adopt certain ASTM specifications, but not all, so these should be looked at independently.
ASTM specifications for tubular products usually reference general specifications, which contain requirements that are commonly used in a number of product specifications. The reason this is done is simply to minimize the amount of redundant information published across specifications, as the information in one general specification may be relevant to several product specifications. General specifications contain ordering requirements, chemical analysis requirements, specific test descriptions, and acceptance criteria for items such as tensile and manipulation testing, NDE testing, tolerances, and other general requirements like marking and certification. For technical reasons, they may purposely conflict with general specifications, which is why product specifications always override general specifications. ASTM standards continually evolve and can change at any time, so it's important to regularly check them for updates and changes. Tube products are produced from numerous metal alloys in a varied array of physical and chemical characteristics. Because of the critical nature and risk that each product holds as the result of the designed use, it is imperative that each supplier and manufacturer comply with the designated specifications, codes, and requirements. Following ASTM product specifications provides a necessary starting point to work with your supplier to ensure proper ordering.